Hello everyone, this is Amy from TEMAX Hardware, and this is the full set of the one PC in the box, and this is the box. And usually the cabinet used with one PC is enough, but it depends on your cabinet width. If the width is above 1000 millimeter, you can use two pieces and loading. You can choose from different. 我会配一下那个承重什么之类的。You can check our loading from the itself, and we have the installation paper in the box. Yeah. In the video, and this one is click on. Click on. This is the plate fittings, like this. Yeah, and very easy to disassemble. And this is the number 1 to number 3, like this, to adjust the strings. And also have 6 screws in the box. 配一下那个缓冲，这个可以配反弹器的。And this one can also use with push open together. You can use with the push open. Get flash stay and push open together. Can use together.